remember in high school, I would just walk around, and in high school is where I really started finding my love for hijab and Islam. And sometimes I would feel like, there's so much pressure not to wear hijab. There's so much pressure not to pray and not to fast. And I remember one of my classmates saying, religion is just a ball. It's just a ball and chains around your ankles. And I thought about that, and I was like, really thinking, is he right? Is he right about that? I was in the ninth grade, and I remember thinking that. And then when alhamdulillah, I was so blessed to go for Umrah, after a few months after that, I started reading the Quran in translation because my mom said reading in translation so you understand. Most of my family members are converts, alhamdulillah, and so, learning the English the Quran is so applicable even in the English translation. Reading all of that, and then I realized, like, all of the hardships that I saw myself going through, the pressures, the peer pressure, be like this, be like that, when I thought about the companions of the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they were in Mecca. They were surrounded by people. They had to hide their Islam, and they were surrounded by people who were hostile to them. But those people, not only did they help other people learn about the beauty of Allah, it is their examples that until today, their sacrifice has given us strength.